Are you interested in turning any car into a smart ride? Today I'm checking out this 11.5-inch wireless CarPlay screen with built-in dash cam, GPS, and more. This might be the easiest way to upgrade any car. It doesn't require any difficult installation or internal wiring. But does it actually deliver? Let's open it up and find out. The first thing that I noticed when I got the box was how heavy it was. The packaging was well designed, and it highlights some of the great features that this CarPlay system has. The thing that caught my attention was the 11.5-inch screen. It's one of the largest ones that you can get in the market. It also has a dual-channel dash cam, with the front camera recording at 4K, while the rear one recorded at 1080p. For video storage, it also includes a 64GB memory card. You can also mount the 1080p rear camera directly onto your license plate. It's a super clean, no complicated setup, plus it gives you a wide, clear view behind your car. It's perfect for parking and extra safety on the road. To make things easier, it comes with the mounting plate and the hardware. It also comes with this long cable for the rear camera. You can easily run it from the back of your car up to the screen. You can hook it up into your reverse light, so when you shift into reverse, the camera pops up automatically with the parking guides. It's super convenient and looks professional. You also get two mounting options for your dash. You could use this solid stationary mount for a clean, fixed setup. It uses 3M patented double-sided adhesive, which is super strong and bonds to your dash, but it doesn't leave any sticky residual when you need to remove it. There's also this suction mount that's super easy to adjust to any angle. Whether you want it low profile or perfectly positioned, you will have that flexibility. For both mounting hardware, the kit comes with an extra set of adhesive so that your setup looks clean and professional. You get this small plastic pry tool that lets you tuck the cable neatly behind your car's trim without damaging anything. And if you want the best sound quality, comes with this audio cable so you can plug it directly into your car's stereo system, giving you a more stable, crystal clear connection compared to wireless. It also included a suction cup pad that will add extra grip so your screen stays firmer in place even on bumpy roads or textured dashboards. Power cable is nice and long, so you can easily route it behind your dash for a clean setup. It also has a spare USB port built around the top so you can charge your phone at the same time. The CarPlay system comes with a 3-year warranty. Don't forget to register after installing the product. The instruction manual was well written and it was super easy to understand. There's a lot of color photos that show you how to set up the product and software. Installation is pretty straightforward. Start by applying the adhesive mount onto your dashboard. Make sure it's clean and flat. Let it sit on the dash for 24 to 48 hours to fully cure before attaching the CarPlay monitor. This guarantees a strong and secure hold. Your monitor will stay firmly in place while you're driving. After the adhesive has fully cured, simply attach the CarPlay monitor onto the mount. Make sure to remove the protective film off of the 4K camera. The monitor will slide easily into the innovative mounting system. Just line up these 4 holes here and then push the monitor downward, which will cause the monitor to lock in place. When you're ready to remove it, simply lift it upward and it will come off smoothly without any hassle. Next, connect the power cable to the back of the monitor, then plug the other end to the car's power port. This will get the screen powered up and ready to go in seconds. For the rear camera, I'm doing a custom setup. Rather than mounting it on the license plate holder, I'm attaching it to my rear window. This gives me a wider view of the back of the car so I can see more while reversing and staying safer on the road. The 1080p rear camera delivers a crisp, clear view behind your car, and having a dual-channel camera setup is a huge benefit. It records both the front and rear cameras at the same time, giving you complete coverage and extra security on the road. It also comes with 3M double-sided adhesive. Just mount it onto the window or on this plastic trim. Here's a helpful hint. Do not put your rear camera or adhesive directly onto the defogger lines. They would get damaged when you remove the camera. For the last part of the physical installation, plug the power cable into the monitor, then connect the 1080p rear camera video cables into the port. Make sure both cables are securely attached, then route them neatly so that everything stays tidy and out of the way. You can also adjust the height of your front camera by sliding it up and down. And that's it. That concludes the physical installation process. The last step is to set up the software installation for the CarPlay system. There's a lot of options to fully customize it to your needs. On the software side, this CarPlay screen is packed with features. It's fully compatible with both iOS and Android devices. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it lets you use real-time GPS navigation, voice control, music streaming, and even screen mirroring for apps like YouTube and Netflix. Touchscreen is super responsive, making it easy to navigate maps, apps, and menus without lags. Plus, the sound screen is super impressive. You can stream through the Bluetooth, audio cables, FM, or built-in speakers for clear, crisp audios in any driving condition. However, my favorite feature has to be the dash cam. The front records in ultra sharp 4K and the rear captures in full 1080p video. And the best part is that you can see footage in real time right on the 11.5 screen. No more squinting in those tiny built-in dashcam displays. In conclusion, this 11.5-inch CarPlay system is an excellent upgrade for any car. With its large, vibrant screen, responsive touch, dual dashcam cameras, real-time navigation, and full iOS Android compatibility, it brings together safety, convenience, and entertainment, and it will easily pay for itself if you get into an accident. Having front and rear recordings provide clear evidence of what happened, which makes insurance claims faster and more straightforward, and it will protect you from false reports or disputes. And if you're stuck waiting for your significant other to finish shopping or get out of class, you can catch up on your funny videos on this big screen, making those quick errands a little bit more entertaining.